In this video, I'll show you how to manage privacy settings in Google Sites and control who can view your website online. So let's begin. This is how a Google site looks in editor mode. To manage the privacy settings, go to the top right corner and click the Share with Others icon. A pop-up window will now appear on the screen. Here, you can see that the published site settings are currently set to public. That means anyone on the internet can open and view the website. Now, if you want to make the website private, we need to change this setting. Once that is done, click the Done button to save the changes. And that's it. Now let's confirm whether the restriction is working properly. We can copy the Google Sites link, open it in the browser, and try accessing the website. You'll notice that the site is no longer available for public viewing. With the restricted setting enabled, the website can only be viewed by the owner, the creator, or people who have been given access through their email account. They may also need to sign in with their Google account before viewing the site. And that's how you can easily manage privacy settings in Google Sites and control who can access your website online. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.